Okay, so welcome to Chapter 4. Let me do a brief overview here. Tro doesn't do much in Chapter 4, Section 1, so let me do just a brief overview. Recall, please, that in Chapter 1, we were introduced really to chemistry and materials, right? So we got a chemistry term, we got terms for materials like compound, and element, and atom, homogeneous, heterogeneous, and such, right? That was Chapter 1. We also talked about solids, liquids, and gases. We also talked about, density, and we were introduced to energy and such. So Chapter 1 was really the setting for all of chemistry. Chapter 2, we were introduced to atoms. And when we talked about atoms, we were introduced to the terms of, proton, electron, neutron, and such, right? We talked about Millikan's oil drop experiment, Rutherford's gold foil experiment, where they were really developing out the modern atomic theory. Chapter 3, which we just finished, was about molecules. So in Chapter 3, we talked about ionic and covalent bonds. Sorry for the background noise, folks. I'm working in a common workspace. I've got other workers around me. So pardon me for the background noise, but we talked about ionic and covalent. We named stuff, right? Naming things, and we rounded out Chapter 3 with an introduction to reactions. So Chapter 4 is about reactions, and what we're going to be talking about in Chapter 4 is how reactions balance out and how we can recognize reactions and really a lot of the math behind reactions. That's what Chapter 4 is about. So put your seatbelt on, get a bunch of paper on hand, and a couple sharp pencils and a nice calculator and a good book, the title of which really should start out with the word principles. All right, good luck.